So hello everyone. What I want to demonstrate here is how a user can be put in the position to use this software right away without any training and without any other supportive material. How can we realize this? So we are integrating AppNavi into the page, and AppNavi is a widget which is providing certain set of support within this application. Here, for example, we have the so-called routes, and those routes are there to explain processes. Let me show you how this could work. So when I'm inside the system, I have no idea about how I can use the tool and how I can use the process within this tool. I can use a route which is guiding me step by step through the real use case. By the way, this is right now German because my browser is German, but we have it available in different languages. And there's a way to automatically translate the contents into 29 languages, but even more languages are possible. But anyways, let me proceed. So this is how I can create a debitor, and AppNavi is at the end guiding me step by step through the live use case. So in the background we have the real application, and on top we have a supportive or a helping layer which is informing me about important things and telling me what I should do. So here, for example, I can choose from a template. Afterwards I go on proceed. Now I click here, then we are in the next form. Then we proceed here. I can use the drop downs, for example. I move on. I can use this one, and so on and so forth. So I'm able to use the software without any knowledge at the end. So let me proceed here. That's it. So now I have learned how to create a debitor, and I have actually done it. So learning and doing at the same time. Now let me show you one thing in addition. So when I skip this here, when I close this, and when I go inside this form again, I can collapse and expand those contents here, and I can do the same with this container here. And when I go back now, and back on the home page, and when I reinitiate this route again, let me show you one thing. So I will quickly do exactly the same as before. And now when I move on proceed, first I need to click here, second I need to click here, and only then when this input is, or this drop down is visible, then it will be selected. Before, all of those areas were already open, and this was the reason why we jumped directly here. So you see, it's not only a stupid collection of tooltips, it's really seeing, understanding, and interpreting the situation on the screen to be supportive as possible for the end user. Let me show you one thing in addition. This was how it can look like when we want to create a route or use a route. And now I want to create one. So I'm logged in here as an author. So end users do not need any special access. They simply use it. But an author has the option to use the route planner here. And let me skip a few parts and let me simply show you how you can create some steps. So here we have the flow, and we can enhance the flow using a recorder. And we have different interaction types. So with this one, for example, I only want to highlight something. With this one here, I want the user to type something in. So here's step 1, then here step 2, and then maybe, I don't know, step 3. That's it. What in addition I can do, I can activate an automation. We will see what this is for in a breath. Then I can save it. Saving means it's available for my authors, but it's not yet published for the end users. They cannot see it right now. This is now my new root. I can use it. This was the learning mode. We have seen it before. And this is now the speed mode. When I now hit next, this was typed by the computer. So certain steps, or even all the steps within the process, can be automated with an RPA feature. So that's about the roots. In addition, we have news, little articles. We have collections, which is chapters of roots, but that's it for the moment.